Hi, I'm Christy with Happily Hooked Magazine. In this video, I will be teaching you how to crochet the front post treble crochet. To begin, yarn over 2 times just like you would with a normal treble crochet. The only difference is instead of putting it in the stitch, the normal stitch, we will be working on the front post, on the post here. So to work the front post, you will go from front to back to front. And then yarn over and pull back through, and now you have 4 loops on your hook. Complete it like a treble crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Let me show you again. Yarn over 2 times, hold those loops, go from front to back to front of your post, not the stitch but the post, yarn over, pull back through, then there's 4 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Let me show you just a few more times. So basically the only thing that changes is that you're working on the post and not the stitch. Let's do one more and then we'll look at our work. Okay, you can see that this is worked on the front and it looks like it's just 1 extra long stitch now. This is the treble and this is the double crochet that you just worked on. On the back, you can see the stitches that were not worked in. These are the double crochet stitches from the row before. So that is how you complete the front post treble crochet. Join me back here for more tutorials with Happily Hooked Magazine.